Digits on the beat.
What's up, my squad, man? I'm back with another video, man. I know I've been gone for a long time, man, but I'm back, yo. I'm back with another banger for you guys, man. So today's video is gonna be a challenge. I've seen it all over the internet and stuff, and I was like, whoa, I want to try it to see how many people, like, you know, I can get and stuff. You see what I mean? So basically, like, before this video start, man, I want you to like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, man, make sure you subscribe so you can be part of the Wens Squad family. You already know it, man. So today, man, so I'm gonna FaceTime some people from my WhatsApp group. So I mean, this is not a promotion video, none of that. You see what I mean? So WhatsApp, it's like another app for you to communicate with people, like, you know, in different countries and stuff. So yeah, so if you're from in the Caribbean or, like, you know, outside United States, you will definitely knows about WhatsApp. So yeah, so I'm gonna call some people from my WhatsApp group and stuff. So hey, I'm gonna call them to tell them that, hey, I'm busy right now, can I call you back, something like that. So I'm gonna see how many people, you know, I can get and stuff, man. So before this video starts, you already know what you have to do, man. Like this video, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Alright. So the first person I'm gonna call my boy Lozy. Yo, my nigga Trophy. Yo, Lo, I'm busy right now, let me call you back.
Yeah, you just called me, nigga.
I wanna call you back, I'm busy, alright? Alright. That's one so far, man. That's one so far.
Got him! Got him!
Just a prank, my nigga. So I don't wanna talk to you, bro. Alright, let me call my boy Kilo. Yeah, I'm loving this so far. Yo, let me call you back, I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back, alright, I'm busy. Alright, Yo! Oh, who's next, man? Who's next? Hold on, man. Make sure you like this video, man, because hey, if you have some ideas for me and stuff, like throw them my way. You know, I'm here to entertain you guys. So like throw the challenges, the points at me, man, so I can do them. You feel me? So let's go. Let me call Island. Oh, that's one of the YouTuber, man. You should check her out. She has 2 different numbers. I don't know which one should I call her. Hey, I'm busy right now. Let me call you back. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I'm busy. Hold on.
Got him! Got him!
Oh, she said, oh. That's the real Haitian, you know, saying is that they like to say that and one. So that's the way it like to express themselves and stuff. Like when they don't want to curse you out, they be like, oh, it's not too much. To guys or something like that. But hey, on to the next person. I don't want to call Kynes though, because he might know what's up. Shoot, hold on. I'm gonna try. Oh no, I think she's with Kynes right now. I'm not gonna call Kynes right now. Let me call my boy Woodsy. The reason I'm doing that, I'm calling people that like that I think that save my number. I don't want to call like no random people, because I don't really save all the people numbers in the group and stuff. So. But yeah, so I'm gonna call my boy Woodsy. Woodsy, I'm coming for you, bro. Yo, let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
What the fuck?
Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I'm busy, alright?
Just call me, bro.
Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I'm busy.
Ah, fuck you, man.
Alright. Wow, she just called me. Hey, I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back. Hello? 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 Poor connection, man. We're not gonna do this. Kyle, get your connection right, man. That thing's saying poor connection. Come on. You know better than that. Let me call Lala. Ooh. Lala. Like this video, man. Oh shoot. Hey, I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Oh, wait. Huh? You just called me.
I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back.
You just called me.
I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back, alright?
That's crazy. Okay.
She called me like no directly to my phone and stuff. She didn't FaceTime me, so I'm gonna just like continue the FaceTime call. I'm gonna just call Lala now. That was Kyle. Okay, I think Lala's at work, so I don't wanna disturb her. Sorry Lala for disturbing you, but hey, I hope you call me back. Oh, let me call Judy. Ooh, Judy. Hold on, I'm trying to go back like with the list and stuff, but hey, let me call Judy right now. Hey, let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
Huh?
Let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
I'm mad.
Yo, let me call Natsu. Ooh, Natsu. Yo, Lala's texting me right now, man. I'm sorry, Lala. I know you're at work. Sorry. Hey, let me call you back. I'm busy right now. Let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
What? I'm not where you call me.
Let me call you back. I'm busy right now, alright?
Wednesday, I'm at work.
I don't give a
Yo, that shit is getting lit. I like it. Let me call D. I'm coming for you. I'm loving this. Natu trying to call me back. I don't want to talk to you, Natu. It was just a prank. Hey, let me call you back. I'm busy right now. Hold on.
You just called me.
I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
Okay.
Alright. Talking about I just called you. I know I did. That's the whole purpose of the freaking video. Yo, Natsu, thanks for checking on me. I see the text, but I cannot reply back to you. She's asking me if I'm good and stuff. But I'm good. Thanks for looking out. Alright, who's next? Sasu. She's gonna be like, what the fuck? Hey, I'm busy right now. Let me call you back.
I'm mad.
I'm busy. I'm gonna call you back.
Alright.
Okay.
Yo, hold on. Oh, let me call Mackenzie. Uptown, I'm coming for you, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. I don't have time to waste. Alright. Hey, bro, let me call you back. I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back. Nah, I'm gonna call you back. I'm busy right now.
Okay.
Je suis ri pour toi.
Now Mackenzie's still cool, but this nigga was like, "Am I okay?" Man, like listen, if you were not part of the video, I'm sorry. It's because I don't have everybody's number saved on my phone. You see what I mean? Those people that have their number saved is because I've known them for a long time now, so that's the reason. But if you were not in the video, don't get mad. You feel me? I'm just doing this for fun. Hey, you never know, I might do a part 2. If you're like this one and stuff, let me know, bro. Oh, let me call Tilex. He's not part of the group, but hey, that's my nigga, so. Yo, let me call you back. I'm busy right now. I'm gonna call you back.
Alright.
Well, shit.
Oh my gosh, who's calling me? Oh shit, hold on. I have to get that person. Hold on. Yo, let me call you back. I'm busy right now.
Oh, more that really.
I'm gonna call you back. I'm busy right now.
Alright, then.
Alright. So like somebody was trying to call me. Every time somebody called me, it canceled it, like, you know, the screen recording. That's why I didn't see his face. But that was Suarez though. He called me and stuff. But let me put my screen recorder on again, because I'm about to call a few more people and stuff, and after that I'm done. What the hell? Yo, don't tell me all them screen recordings save on my phone, bro. I would be so mad. Oh my gosh. Please, 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 please. So basically, man, I cannot call any more people because every time I, like, you know, I put my screen recording on, look, this is what it says and stuff, you feel me? Hold on. Look, you see? So yeah, I cannot call any more people, man. So I'm sorry, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wish I could have continued this video, but hey, I can't, man. My thing's acting up. So if you enjoyed this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to be part of the Win Squad, man. I mean, I know for sure you're gonna subscribe because you enjoyed this video, right? Then if you enjoyed this video, so make sure you like and comment and subscribe, man. And I'm out. Let's go.